PBR stock analysis and PBR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Petroleo Brasileiro, whatever the pronunciation is on this ticker symbol. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. Not the first time that I'm making video on this. Zooming out, it's such a solid bullish market, and now you can see it was kind of in this first, it was in the 40 gear, and then it started kind of slowing in the first or second. It started kind of consolidating, and honestly I still want to see this going at like 60 miles per hour, right? But what I'm not just gonna do is just randomly buy. So the idea that I want to take things up and still be bullish is still true. You know, I still am very open-minded to that. But unless the price really pulls down and shows me any kind of like double breaks, then I'm like literally not willing to buy. You know, people overcomplicate this stuff, but like I'm just really being honest. So all I'm doing here is in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.